In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add polygon shape in Framer. We'll start inside a Framer project so you can see the full flow from adding the shape to publishing your changes. If you're following along, open the popular domain project in Framer, or open any project where you'd like to add the shape. With the canvas visible, look for the Vector tool in the toolbar. This is your gateway to custom shapes. Click Vector, and from the shape options that appear, choose Polygon. This tells Framer you want to draw a multi-sided shape rather than a rectangle or ellipse. Now place it on the canvas. Click where you want the polygon to appear. You can always adjust it later. Once it's on the canvas, you'll see controls in the right sidebar. These panels manage how the shape is positioned and scaled, which is crucial for responsive layouts. First, check the positioning mode. Select Absolute to pin the polygon to exact coordinates on the canvas. This is useful for pixel-perfect placements over fixed sections. Then switch to Relative to position it in relation to its parent frame. Relative positioning is helpful if the surrounding layout may shift on different screens. Exploring both helps you decide what keeps your design predictable. Open the Position section to refine X and Y placement and anchoring. Then open the Size section to control width and height. Here you'll see a toggle for fixed sizing. Turn it off to let the polygon resize with its container, which is great for responsive designs. Turn it on to lock the dimensions, ensuring the shape stays the same size regardless of the layout around it. Tapping between off and on lets you immediately see how the shape behaves, so you can choose the setting that best fits your layout goals. Use the highlighted controls in the sidebar to fine-tune the polygon's appearance. This is where you can adjust key visual properties, confirm the look you want, and make quick tweaks before publishing. If something doesn't look right, revisit position and size to make small, precise adjustments. A tiny nudge can make the difference between a shape that feels perfectly placed and one that looks slightly off. When you're satisfied, head to the top right corner and click Publish. Framer will bundle your changes and push the update live. Give it a moment, then preview the result to make sure the polygon maintains its placement and size behavior across breakpoints. And that's it. You've added a polygon vector in Framer, explored absolute versus relative positioning, tuned size behavior, refined the styling, and published your changes.